Rumi loves food, but is everything she eats healthy? Your mission, help Rumi choose the best foods. Shout your answer, healthy or not healthy. 3, 2, 1, let's play!
Healthy or not? Yes! Apples give vitamin power. Healthy or not? Oh no! Too much sugar. Bubble tea is a sometimes treat. Healthy or not? Yay, yes! Rice gives energy for adventures. Healthy or not healthy? Not healthy every day. Healthy or not? Huh? Healthy energy drink. Healthy or not? Sometimes food, not every meal. Healthy or not? Healthy for supervision. Healthy or not? Healthy and yummy. Healthy or not? Food. Treat food. Healthy or not? Too oily for every day. Healthy or not? Sometimes food. Healthy or not? Whoa! Super healthy! Super healthy! Healthy or not? Own. Strong bones. Healthy or not? Sometimes food? Don't fall in love too much. Healthy or not? Best drink ever. Healthy or not? Too much sugar again. Healthy or not? Healthy brain food. Healthy or not? No! Not every day. Healthy or not? Perfect breakfast energy. Healthy or not? Sometimes food. Healthy or not? Healthy. Healthy or not? How much suffering from? Celebration food. That was hard work.